Hi students, welcome back. So in the previous video, I explained what exactly the artificial intelligence is. That is the definition of artificial intelligence. Artificial is nothing but a man-made, and whereas the intelligence is a thinking power. So the man-made thinking power, you call it as an artificial intelligence. So here in this video, I want to explain you why we required artificial intelligence. Okay, so far we are dealing with an environment where the electronic gadgets will be there and working on that different technology. So rather than that using technology, why we are using the artificial intelligence? So in which fields we can use this artificial intelligence? Now let's see. With the help of artificial intelligence, let's see the first point. With the help of artificial intelligence, we can create such softwares. What type of softwares you can create? A device which can solve real world problems. Okay, so artificial intelligence or use it to create a software. We are create a software such that which can solve the real world problems very easily and with accuracy, such as health issues, marketing, traffic issues. In these fields, we are using the artificial intelligence. Why we are using the artificial intelligence in these fields? Because in the health issues, we require the accuracy. It has to solve the real world problems, what exactly the patient is condition is, that everything we need to be know. So internally what's happening, we don't know by observing outside. Okay, only the artificial intelligence can solve the problem, can identify the problem accurately. Okay, so that is, it solves the real world problems in the field of health issues, marketing field, and in the way of the traffic issues also. This artificial intelligence is playing a role, a great role. You can call it as a great role. So for that, we require artificial intelligence. And with the help of artificial intelligence, you can create your personal virtual assistants. Okay, if you want, you can create your own assistants with the help of the artificial intelligence, such as Google Assistants. Okay, in your mobile phone, you are having the Siri. You are just asking Siri, where are you from? Okay, whatever you want, that Google Assistants is explaining to you, and it is solving your problem. It giving some information to you. That is because of this artificial intelligence. Because of the artificial intelligence only, your Siri is able to tell whatever the question you are asking. Okay, your Google Assistant is telling whatever the question, whatever the doubt you are asking, because of this artificial intelligence. And with the help of the artificial intelligence, you can build such robots which can work in an environment where survival of human can be at risk. Suppose the human beings are at risk place, okay, where the remaining humans cannot, means the other humans cannot enter into that world, okay, because it is something like risk concept. So in that areas also, the robots can easily enter into that field. Why? The robots is made with an artificial intelligence. So because of that artificial intelligence, the robot can operate. Okay, the robot can move. The robot can think its own. Which can have the own intelligence. The robot can be programmed like that, which can have its own intelligence. With the help of that intelligence, the robot can survive of the human. Okay, which are at the risk places. So that's why we are using the artificial intelligence in the robots also, okay, which saves the human lives. Artificial intelligence opens a path for new technologies, new devices, and new opportunities. So it's not stopping this work from here, okay, so it's still having the capability of adding the new technologies. You can add it just showing the path to add the new technologies to the existing artificial intelligence, and new devices can be added. It's just an open path for new devices, and it's just an open path for the new opportunities also. So that's why we are using this artificial intelligence. Okay, so now let's see what are the different goals of artificial intelligence. Goals of artificial intelligence. The first goal of artificial intelligence, replicate human intelligence. So I said the machines are working just like a human beings because of this artificial intelligence. So then you can easily say it is just a replicate of the human intelligence. Okay, so the goal of artificial intelligence is, it's just want to design a machine like that. It just acts as it's a replicate to the human intelligence, and it solves the knowledge intensive task also. An intelligent connection of perceptions and actions. It can do the intelligent connection of perceptions and as well as the actions. the artificial intelligence. And building a machine which can perform task that requires a human intelligence. So whatever the machine that you are designing, that machine can perform a task that requires a human intelligence. So that machine should act like a human intelligence, such as it has to providing a theorem, okay, it's playing chess, plan some surgical operations, driving a car in traffic, everything. So these are all the different machines which can perform tasks that requires a human intelligence. So providing a theorem, okay, and playing the chess just like a human intelligence, it's just playing the chess, and plan some surgical operations. So that machine is just planning some surgical operation, and that machine is going to do the surgical operations just like a human, okay, because of that human intelligence, it's having the human intelligence, okay. And driving a car in the traffic, so whenever the traffic is there, it has the sensors, it recognizes the traffic, okay. So from left the vehicle is coming, right, front, back, whatever it may be, it's just recognizing the things just like a human, okay. That is because of the human intelligence that the machine is having, okay. The system that having the human intelligence that can drive a car in by itself in a traffic also. Okay, so these are all the different goals of the artificial intelligence. And one more is, it's creating some system which can exhibit intelligent behavior and learn new things by itself, demonstrate and explain and can be advised to its users also. Okay, so these are all the different goals of the artificial intelligence. Thank you.